They see you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
Welcome or welcome back. Again, my name is Energy, and we're gonna hop right into it today. This box is so cute. I really love it. It is my favorite color.
Let go of every thought that was holding me back.
All these things came inside. I was so surprised when I seen this. This is amazing. It's so pretty. And I'm gonna hop right into this because this is too cute.
Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face.
As you can see, it also came with about 5 headbands, which were really cute. But I already had like 20, so I didn't really use them. And this is the hair. It smells good. It felt really soft. I was really surprised that it was so soft and fluffy. As you see, the headband wig came with the Velcro wraps and also the 4 clips inside. Now it's time to switch this over.
I know I can be safe with you. You want me now, I know you do.
And I am loving it dry, but you already know I have to show y'all what it looks like wet. So here we go.
Show me how to dare to love. So tell me what you're thinking of. Cause I won't be afraid, not holding anything back. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then
I still like it better dry.
I never knew you could love someone like me. You climb my tower.
But here we go with the mousse. I really like it dry. I like it wet, but I really like it dry. Now, as you can see, as I was doing the raking motion, which was very lightly, there was a few strands.
It's raining headbands.
So soft, like this is softer than the one that I had, that I bought. That's crazy.
All I want to is to be close to you, but I don't know how and what to do. I'm so shy when it comes to you, but I guess you're curious, huh? So let me show you.
This is too cute, and I just really didn't know what to do with this, so I just put it anywhere. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell so that you can be notified when I release more content. Bye!